If you're preparing for a roof replacement project in Shelby Township, you're making a smart investment in your home's protection, value, and curb appeal. While a new roof offers long-term peace of mind, the process itself can feel overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. Understanding what to expect from start to finish can help reduce stress and ensure the project runs smoothly. At My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and more of Shelby Twp, we believe in keeping our customers informed every step of the way. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you can expect during your roof replacement. Initial inspection and consultation. The process begins with a thorough roof inspection and consultation. A qualified roofing expert will visit your home to assess the current condition of your roof. This includes checking for signs of damage, measuring the area, and evaluating ventilation and structural integrity. During this stage, you'll also discuss roofing material options, e.g., asphalt shingles, metal, or composite, color choices that suit your home's style, estimated timeline and cost, warranty details. Expect your roofing company to answer all your questions and provide a clear, written estimate. Scheduling and preparation. Once you've chosen your materials and signed your contract, your project will be scheduled. Your contractor will also take care of the necessary permits and paperwork, which is especially important in Shelby Twp to comply with local building codes. A few days before work begins, you may be asked to clear vehicles from the driveway, move outdoor furniture or decorations away from the work zone, cover items in the attic if you have open rafters, to avoid dust and debris. Your roofing company should provide detailed instructions so you're fully prepared for the big day. Roof removal, tear-off phase. On the first day of installation, the crew will arrive and begin tearing off the old roofing materials. This step includes removing shingles, underlayment, flashing, and nails. A dumpster is typically brought on site to collect debris, and protective tarps are used to shield landscaping and windows. This phase is loud and messy, but it's a necessary step to ensure the new roof is installed on a clean and stable surface. Roof installation. Once the old roof is removed, installation begins. This includes inspecting the wood decking for damage or rot, replacing any compromised decking, if needed, installing a weatherproof underlayment, adding flashing around chimneys, vents, and valleys, laying new shingles or roofing material in precise layers. Throughout the process, the crew works carefully to follow manufacturer guidelines and local codes, ensuring your roof is built to last. Depending on the size and complexity of your roof, installation typically takes 1 to 3 days. Final cleanup and inspection. A reputable roofing company won't leave your yard a mess. After installation, the crew performs a thorough cleanup, including removing debris and leftover material, using magnetic tools to pick up stray nails, ensuring gutters and driveways are clear. The final walkthrough or inspection will be completed with the project manager to make sure you're satisfied. You'll also receive documentation about your product and workmanship warranties. Post-project support and peace of mind. Your roof replacement may be finished, but your relationship with the roofing company shouldn't be. At My Quality, we stay in touch with our customers to answer follow-up questions, assist with warranty claims, provide seasonal maintenance tips and inspection. You can rest easy knowing your new roof was installed by licensed, insured professionals who care about long-term performance and your total satisfaction. Final thoughts. A smooth process with long-lasting results. A roof replacement doesn't have to be stressful when you're informed and working with the right team. With expert guidance, quality materials, and a clear process, homeowners in Shelby Twp can enjoy a safe, stylish, and energy-efficient roof that adds value for decades. Ready to schedule your roof replacement? Contact us today for a no-pressure consultation and get the peace of mind your home deserves.